My name is Eliana Lemans, and I am going to be your instructor this semester. I wanted to put together a little welcome video so that you guys can get to know me a little bit better in regards to who I am as an instructor, and also to kind of walk you through a little bit of how to get started in our class. So again, my name is Eliana Lemans, and I will be your instructor this semester. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want to let you know a little bit about myself, some background. So I have actually been teaching math for over 11 years. So you can kind of say math is my thing. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of certain things about me that might be of interest to you. I am an alumni of CAC. I came here right after high school and I graduated and then with my Associates of Science, and then I transferred to the University of Arizona. So I am a Wildcat. I like to travel, and one of my best hobbies is to go hiking. So if any of you guys are hikers, definitely share with me your favorite trails. We can share those in common. I do have two younger daughters. My oldest one is Jalen. She is going to be in 7th grade, and my youngest one is Mia. She will be going into 4th grade. So if any of you guys have any littles at home, I definitely understand, especially right now with COVID and having to do a work, whether you're going to school, going back to school, and then having littles at home. Definitely understand. So if anything comes up, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help you with anything that I can. The other thing I want to bring up is our social media page. So we do have both Facebook and Instagram for the math department at the college. That is actually one of the other best places to get information in regards to the college and anything going on, and to get updates with the COVID. So if you could follow us on social media, I have our Facebook page there and our Instagram page as well. That's, again, one of the best ways to get information straight to your phone as much as we can. So one other thing I want to share, if you're not familiar or this is the very first time that you are taking online classes or anything like that, you might have a hard time getting into Blackboard. So Blackboard and your student email are the two things that you guys want to really stay on top of. Your student email, you need to be checking that on a regular basis. That's going to be the best form of communication between us. So please make sure that you are checking that. And then, of course, all of our courses are held in our Blackboard. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to our homepage, which is Central Arizona, www.centralaz.edu. That is our homepage for the college. So once you are there, I'm going to show you where you can find the place to check both your student email and your Blackboard. So once you are here, you're going to click at the very top next to our Central Arizona College name. There is an option for you that's called My CAC. Please select that. It's going to take you here where you can check your email and your Blackboard. Email in Office 365 and Blackboard. When you click on your email and your Blackboard, your username and passwords are the same to get into your student email, Blackboard, and Office 365 as well. Office 365 is actually where we have our in-class notebook, and I do talk a little bit more about that in a later video. When you get to Blackboard, and let me just write that down here for those of you that might not be familiar with it. So to log into your student email, your username will be your first name underscore last name. And sometimes it depends whether you have a number next to it or not. But if you don't, then it would be at Ooh, sorry about that. Last name at stu.centralaz.edu. Now your password is your 8-digit birthday unless you changed it. So for example, if my birthday is January 1st, 2008, my birthday would be 01/01/2008. Okay. Again, this is how you would log into both your email, Blackboard, and Office 365. So once you're in Blackboard, it's going to look a little bit like this. Mine looks a little bit different because I am an employee. You want to click on courses on the left-hand panel. Click on courses so that you can find your appropriate math course. Now remember, depending on which class you register for, we have 16-week-long courses during spring and fall. And then during the summer, we have either 16 weeks, 8 weeks, or even the fast-paced 5-week courses. So please make sure you find our course. Right here on the very top, you're going to select current courses. If you don't see the appropriate math class that you have registered for, you might want to click here and go through the actual semester, whether it's 2020 summer, if it's a spring or fall, and you might get a different list. Some of the courses might not be open for you guys yet. Our course will be open. So once you find the appropriate math course that you are registered for, you want to click on it. And it's going to take you to the course that you desire. I strongly suggest that you navigate it. Most of your courses, at least my math courses, will get you started on our Start Here button. You want to make sure you familiarize yourself with everything on here. There's going to be walkthrough videos, navigating MyMathLab and in-class notebook, using Collaborate Ultra. So please take a moment to go through all of these videos so that you guys are successful in this math class. There is a link called syllabus. This is the contract between yourselves and myself. So please take a moment to read through your syllabus very thoroughly. Your syllabus has everything outlined that you will need in the class, including your due dates. Please take a moment to read through it very carefully. Reach out to me if you have any questions on anything in the course, because you will have your very first assessment in the course will be your syllabus quiz right underneath your syllabus. However, you can't take it unless you read through it. There's a whole lot of information in your Start Here button, like I stated, that you will need to do. I look forward to having all of you guys in the course, and I hope that we have a great semester.